Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to get rid of OneDrive on Windows 10, step by step, so you can free up space and remove unwanted apps easily. Step 1. Press Windows and I at the same time to open Settings. This is where Windows keeps all your system settings, and it's the first place we need to go to manage installed apps. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on Apps to open Apps and Features. Here you can see all the programs installed on your computer, and this is where OneDrive is listed. Step 3. Scroll down the list until you find Microsoft OneDrive. Once you see it, click on it, and you'll get the option to uninstall the app completely from your system. Step 4. Click on Uninstall and a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm. Click Uninstall again to make sure Windows removes the app from your computer. Step 5. After the uninstallation is complete, restart your computer. This final step ensures that all changes take effect and OneDrive is fully removed from your Windows 10 system. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.